In today's video, I want to talk about one business that offers you the opportunity to take full advantage of what's been described as the ultimate funnel, which leads to you having the opportunity to make $1,000 plus commissions. And the really cool thing about all this is that you only have to give away a free book to get the ball rolling. Now, before we move on to this exciting opportunity, I would quickly like to welcome you to my channel. My aim is to provide you with good quality, trustworthy information that will help you to succeed online as an affiliate marketer. And affiliate marketing is certainly my favourite way to make money online. In my opinion, it's the best method to make money online, no matter what your level of experience. So I've created this channel to pass on useful information for new and struggling affiliates. So be sure to subscribe to my channel and keep your eye out for my latest videos. I try and post 2 new videos each week on a Tuesday and Thursday. Okay, let's move on to today's topic, how this ultimate funnel could help you get your affiliate business off the ground. Before I talk about the ultimate funnel, at the end of this video, you will get the opportunity to watch a free online presentation where you will learn all about the company behind this ultimate funnel and have the opportunity to partner with them and make those all-important $1,000 plus commissions. Okay, so how exactly does this ultimate funnel work? A funnel you can personally benefit from should you choose to do so. Basically, if you follow this system, you will drive people to the entry point of the sales system by driving people to an opt-in page, building a list of targeted prospects and then following up with them through email. Those emails will send people to the entry point of the sales system. Now, I have a very unique way of doing this that basically makes it easier for you to turn your prospects into actual paying customers. They use what is known as a free plus shipping offer. This means that instead of you having to try and sell something as an affiliate, which I know many people struggle with, you get to give away something of value that your prospect actually wants, such as a book, for free. Free, that is, apart from a small shipping and handling fee. The beauty of this is that you as a partner would simply have to give away something of value to your prospect and will get paid for doing this. At this stage, your commission would only be very small, but now your prospect is in the sales funnel, and from here on in, your work is done. The system now takes over. This is where the real magic begins. Once the customer has purchased the free plus shipping offer, they will first of all be offered what's called an order bump offer. This is basically an additional product that the customer can add to their order by ticking a box on the order form. Once the initial order is complete, they will next be offered an upsell, and after this, another upsell. And if they say no to that, then they may be offered what's called a downsell. Now, if you happen to be a partner, these additional sales, if they happen, all mean you getting paid extra commissions that can range from $1 up to $297 per sale. All this from just the initial sale made in the front end of the business. After this, the customer will go into the back end of the business where they'll be given even more value. The purpose of this is to demonstrate to the customer why working with them in one of their premium programs is a good idea to help them achieve their goals faster. A percentage of customers who see these high ticket premium offers will go on to make a purchase, and for you, if you're the partner who referred them initially, well, you get rewarded with a nice fat juicy 4-figure commission. And it doesn't take too many $1,000 plus commissions each month to make a very nice income. Now, all this starts with you making that original free plus shipping offer. You see, using this system, your role is simply to get people into the front end of the sales funnel, and you do this by offering your prospects a free plus shipping offer, which is much easier than actually trying to sell them something. Once you've got them to order that free plus shipping offer, well, now the system takes over and does the rest for you, which can of course lead to those exciting 4-figure commissions. Now, at this point, I do want to point something out that's very important. To make this work, there will be some effort involved. This is not some gimmicky get-rich-quick scheme. I'm sure you're well aware, like me, that these so-called push-button solutions never work. Like most good things, you need to put in some effort, but the more you put in, the more you're likely to get out. To make this work, your job is to get as many people as you can into their sales system. After that, well, you let the system take care of the rest. Now, in case you're wondering, how do I get people into the sales funnel? How do I get them to take that first step and order that initial free plus shipping offer? Well, the good news here is that this business will provide you with all the training and help you need to succeed. It's then up to you to take action and implement the steps as outlined in the training. Okay, well, hopefully you can see the potential here. But before we get too far ahead of ourselves, obviously this can only work if you become a partner of this business. You see, when you become a partner, you'll have everything you need. So all you need to do is take action and follow the plan to get prospects into their sales system. Once you've got your prospect into the system, that's when the real magic begins. And the system then does all the selling for you, including their sales team working for you and making you those all-important $1,000 plus commissions. Now, if you're interested in learning more about this opportunity, then if you look below this video in my description, you'll see a link which you can click to register for a free online presentation where my partner Dean will get straight to the point and cover everything you need to know about this opportunity and how you can become a partner. If you enjoyed this video, please do me a favour and click the like button. Also, please do leave a comment below this video, as I do appreciate your feedback. And don't forget to look below and click the link and register for the free online presentation. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, where you'll find more helpful information for new and struggling affiliates. When you hit that subscribe button, don't forget to click the bell symbol and select all, as this will turn on your notifications so YouTube will let you know whenever I post a new video. Thank you.